I think it's a connection with folk music in general, primarily, which is that the more I discover folk music, the more songs I discover, the more folk songs I discover, the more people I hear sing folk songs and communicate, culture in that way, the more you just discover that song is the most integral part of communicating human experience. There's songs about every aspect of life, and there's there's something in that, that it's not just a coincidence that there's all these songs about absolutely everything. It's just amazing to discover more and more how integral singing is to processing human experience. So that's kind of like the premise of everything, and I guess like narrowing it down to my experience and my heritage, the fact that even though I don't know a lot about my ancestry, I know that my family are Ashkenazi from Eastern Europe and were at some point Yiddish speakers, and in the way that it skips generations, it's important to me to really connect with that. And people say, why do you sing Yiddish song? And I don't really know what to say. I just say because I want to, because I like it, because I connect with it, because it's just a part of, it's a thing that I can express. It's a thing that I have to learn about. There's so many different types of folk music, and I don't say that Yiddish is any better, but it's the thing that I have to give, to learn about.